And who would have thought that I would be struggling the way that I was?
Nikki, she just mad cause you took the spot. Well, bitch, if you ain't shitting, then get off the pot. Got some niggas out in Brooklyn that'll off your top. Should I assume you didn't mean it like that? Should I assume you know exactly how you said it good, just not yours?
You used to free bitches, I cost too much. What? Let me make your bad taste. Yeah. Just be my scholar. If it's up, then it's stuck through your crew and lay that motherfucker.
The window, let the window down.
I'm like, what's out there?
Jamming.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I co-sign.
And then can I get a side of French toast?
Not having iced coffee. I want it to basically taste like a caramel vanilla iced coffee. So as long as it's sweet, I don't really care how many pumps.
Okay.
I look so cute like this. I feel cute. Don't put that in the thumbnail.
Birds of a feather, you and me would change the weather. Yeah, I'm feeling heat in December when you found me. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heim. Throw that to the side. I get those.
Some shit. We spend time. I
had to let my chin out. I'm listening though.
I get those goosebumps every time. Yeah,
Plotting on my downfall. I am not gonna play with you. Look like
that's what they did.
It looked like fumes coming out.
I was like, bro, who does that?
You didn't taste it yet?
Oh, I did. That was a lie.
Your shit about to be salty.
Salty as fuck.
throw that to the side. I'm a sucker for you.
So they calling you Bob. Well, this thing so good, make a nigga wanna solve. I'm the feature, you gon' be the priest, and I'ma be the preacher.
Hey guys, good morning. It's almost 11 a.m. and I just got to the hair store. I feel like I'm always at the beauty supply store, but I need to pick up some things so that I can do my hair. I have a wig video that I want to do today. I'm gonna try to do some pink skunk stripes. The whole install will be in a separate video, but I am gonna include some clips of me doing my hair, probably styling it, maybe doing my makeup, and just I don't know, this vlog gonna be kind of all over the place because I feel like I have a lot of stuff to do, so it may include a bunch of different things. But I just left from breakfast. You guys already would have saw that, and now I'm at the beauty supply, so I'm gonna go in and pick up a couple of things, and then I'm gonna go home and start on my hair. So I'll kind of pop back in I guess probably when I get back home after everything, and I'll show you guys what I got too. So hey guys, so I am back home. Please ignore my lace because I'm about to do my hair, so don't come for me. I went to the beauty supply and I only needed 2 things. So I only got hair dye and lace tint, which is why I didn't really take you guys inside and show you everything that I got, because I literally only got 2 things, which you'll see me use later in the video. They're really nothing special. Right now I'm bleaching my hair because I'm trying to do pink skunk stripes, like a skunk stripe kind of in the front, and then some pink peekaboo color in the back or whatever. So right now I'm bleaching the hair. So I went ahead and kind of bleached it in the front and wrapped it up in foil, and then I did the same to the back. Ignore my dusty mannequin. She's been through some things or whatever. I am recording the video on how I'm gonna get the color, so you guys will definitely see that video before you see the vlog for this. This is the dye that I picked up for the color that I want to use. It's the Adore Pink Blush, but like I said in the video, I'll go over all the details on how I got the color. my hair, and when I say this hairstyle stressed me out, like it was supposed to be like this effortless, messy, half up, half down. When I say it required so much effort, I'm never doing that again. Who knew? Who knew that the messy styles require more effort than the, you know, the nice and neat ones? Like, not to mention this wig, which I really like this wig. I really do. But it just did not have a lot of parting space. It didn't have as much parting space as I thought it did, because it's like a 13x4. I just expected it to have more lace, but it was a lace front and not a lace frontal. And I just recently learned the difference. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen that TikTok. If I remember to put it, I'll put it like over here. That TikTok where like that girl explains like the difference between a lace front and a lace frontal. I might have them mixed up, because like I said, I just learned it. So I'll put it up here. I'll find it and I'll put it up here so you guys know what I'm talking about. But basically, it just had like lace here and then like this section of lace in the middle, like how a closure, like enough lace for like a closure or whatever. And it's just like, when I imagine the hairstyle, I imagine having more lace to work with. And I'll put a picture of the hairstyle as well. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna remember. I'm not gonna forget. I'm gonna put it. And like, when I opened the wig, I'm like, ain't no way I'm gonna be able to do this hairstyle. Like, there's no way. Like, there's literally not enough lace. And I'm like, I'm talking myself out of it. Because I'm like, I'm looking at the lace and I'm like, this is not enough. Like, you cannot do a half up, half down with this amount of lace. It's gonna look crazy. And it does. But the thing is, like, I was going for a messy look anyways. So I'm like, it really don't matter. Like, it don't have to be perfect. That's the whole point of the hairstyle. So I'm like telling myself, I'm like, you gonna do this hairstyle. Like, you gonna do it anyways, because this is the hairstyle you wanted to do. Because it is. Like, it's been saved. I found it on Pinterest. So I don't know, like, the girl's name or her @ or anything, because I found the picture on Pinterest and didn't have it. And I had been wanting to do it for a while. I had never done, like, the skunk stripe. Like, if you guys have seen or noticed on my channel, like, I have not done the skunk stripe trend yet, because I just, like, I've tried it twice, but it didn't really come out the way I wanted it to the first 2 times that I did it. So I'm like, I gotta try it again, because I really want to try this skunk stripe, and I really wanted to do pink. You'll see, like, in the install video, which should already be up by the time this video is posted, that I used pink dye, but I think that I didn't lift the hair high enough. Like, when I was bleaching and everything, like, I didn't lift it to a light enough blonde for it to pick up the true pink color. But that's okay. Like, I still like how the color came out. Like, you know, red or pink, it don't really matter to me, because I'm gonna do what you know, what I need to do. But like, it was the hairstyle for me. Like, I was in shambles. I was in distress, trying to figure out, like, what I'm gonna do. My arms was getting tired. You guys know, like, when you do like a half up, half down, or when you do like a ponytail, like, your arms start cramping up. And it's like, as if getting the ponytail smooth and neat with no flyaways and no random hairs and no lumps, no bumps wasn't hard enough. I gotta get an arm cramp. I was really contemplating, like, am I just gonna leave it in the middle part? Am I just gonna do a side part? But it's like, I feel like I've been playing it safe, like, on my channel. Like, I always want to try things, but then when you work with companies, sometimes it's like, and because I'm new, I'm a small YouTuber, so I'm new at this. So it's like, sometimes when companies like send you a wig and they want it to be represented, it's like they don't want you to, you know, add tiger stripes and do the most. And I get that, because it's like they could send me a wig and I could, you know, be trying to try something new and ruin it and then not be able to promote it the way that they expected that I would. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I totally get that. And they're definitely going based off of the other things that you already have on your channel. So that they find you based off of the videos that you already have up. They see that you're doing middle parts and side parts and like normal colors and you're not going too crazy. So when they send you a wig, it's kind of like they're kind of like expecting that a little bit or whatever. So then I end up, you know, playing it safe. But with this company, I didn't have those same requirements. So I'm like, you know what, now's the time. Like, I'm gonna try it. I literally had the time to like go through and like dye the wig and pluck it a little bit. I didn't pluck it too much. I really didn't need to. And the lace melted really well. I didn't have to fight as far as like the install. I did not have to work that hard. But when it came to this style, you guys, if Trust the Process was a person, it would be me. It would be me, and everybody that has seen that video at this point. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it yet or whatever. I am gonna leave like most of me styling the wig in. It's not always easy peasy. Like, I feel like when I watch YouTube videos, it's like super, you know, super, it's simplified, because you don't want to overcomplicate it, because you don't want to like you don't want other people that watch your video to feel like they can't achieve the same results. You don't want to be like dishonest, but like you don't want to discourage them either. You know what I'm saying? Because once you have enough practice, it does become like easy in a sense. But this is my first time doing a style like this. And who would have thought that I would be struggling the way that I was? And mind you, I've done half up, half downs on my channel. But this messy, like intentionally making it messy like this, that was so hard. Like, that was so hard. And then not having a lot of lace to work with. But I like to challenge myself, because the way that I am, I like to learn new things, and then I like to share the things that I learn. Like, I don't want to just keep doing the same hairstyles. But it takes elbow grease, hard work, and determination for a messy half up, half down. Like, I've never had to really tease my hair, you know, like when you like hold it up and hit the comb and like tease it so that it has some volume. I've never really had to like do that, but I just had to do it. And I'm like, dang, like, it's tangling my hair up. I mean, obviously that's kind of like the point, to tangle it a little bit so that like the hair sits up, so that it's teased and it gives it, you know, volume. But it's like, I don't want my hair to be tangled. But I really wanted to try the look. Like, I thought it was so cute. I thought it was so cute when I saw it. I'm like, man, I can't wait. Like, she really, and mind you, the picture is only of the girl's side profile, but it was giving everything it needed to give. So I'm like, girl, like, I want to give. Why am I putting on so much blush? I don't know. Not me forgetting to put on setting powder. Yeah, so I forgot what I was saying. I don't usually do my makeup and talk, so I forgot. And you know, I could have just looked up like I'm pretty sure there's a tutorial somewhere on YouTube of how to get the style or something similar, and I could have just looked one up, but I didn't want to do that. Like, I wanted to like figure it out. And I should be mad at myself, because it's like, girl, you could have just went out there, watched the tutorial, and got that hairstyle down pat. There is 1,000,001 middle part jet black bust down wig install tutorials. And when I say before I do my bust down, I'm gonna watch almost all of them, or as many as I can, or until I see like a bunch of different techniques to where like I'm able to maybe take a combination of the way people did theirs and then make my video based on the combination that I used, or based on like, you know, I took the inspiration from another video and then I made it my own without like copying, because not everybody's technique works for everybody else, which is why everybody kind of is like, yeah, there may be 101 middle part buzz down videos, but it's like everybody's different. Everybody does their hair differently. So it's like I might do my hair in a way that may be easier for some people versus, you know, the videos that are already out. Everybody's been so patient. I really do like love all you guys. Like it's a lot of you that like subscribe, watch my videos, like my videos, and comment and ask me questions, and it's like I really appreciate everybody that does that. Like I'd be excited. I'd be so excited when I get a little comment, when somebody want to talk to me. I'd be excited. I'd be like, oh my God, like somebody wants to know what I have to say. Like somebody asked me a question believing that I would have the answer. Y'all like me? Y'all do? Because when I first started my channel, I had concerns. I really did. So my camera cut off in the middle of my sentence, but I mean, I like how my hair came out. I just, ooh, like sometimes like just doing your own hair can be frustrating, but like I still would rather do my own hair than to let someone else do it and then it doesn't come out the way I want it, which is like part of the reason why I started like doing my own hair. I'm very tender-headed. I don't like other people doing my hair. I will like still let people do my hair depending on what it is. Like if they're doing something that I'm not about to take the time to teach myself, then absolutely, like, yeah, they can do my hair. But I just prefer to do my own hair. Like I just prefer it. But yeah, so I be changing my mind, y'all. Like I be changing it. I don't try to be indecisive. It just be happening. Like I'll like, you know, decide on one thing and be like, I don't really want to do that no more. And I wish I had did that with my hair, low key. But we're not gonna talk about it now because my hair is done now. We're not even gonna get into that. We're just gonna let that go. I did the hairstyle. It is what it is. And I like how it came out. So about to film the outro. I'm about to, what am I about to do? I'm about to film the outro of this install video, and then I'm gonna take my makeup off and take a shower. And I'm actually kind of hungry. I haven't eaten since I went to the cafe. You guys saw that earlier. So I'm gonna like kind of figure out what I want to eat. I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get food. So I will see y'all when I get back. Y'all already know what I'm about to say, and when I say it, y'all gonna be mad. Yes, I know I just did that half a pap down with the bangs, and yes, I know it's not here anymore, but hear me out. Like, I don't like to have hair in my face. Do I know that I chose a style that has hair in my face? Yes, but that's because I wanted to try something different, knowing that I don't like hair in my face. I wasn't planning on keeping it, you know, like forever and ever. I couldn't take it. It had to come down. And I'm on my way to Chipotle. I hope it's open because I honestly don't even know since it's a holiday.
The other night she was gripping on me tight, screaming Hercules, smoking out the window of the Benzo. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know why I gave you all you need. I know what you